The anger-powered chainsaw.
What? Cut off my electricity? I was only 3 months behind in my payments. They just can't do that. How am I supposed to survive? Oh, the lights will go out. I can't watch my soaps. I can't charge my chainsaw. That's it. I finally found someone who's even worse than Boss Lee. Oh, I just don't get why my life is such a total wreck. Oh, what have I done to deserve all this grief? Oh, yeah? Easy for you to say. No one can break me. Right. I won't accept defeat. Who needs electricity anyway? Just look. I'll use these. Oh. Did I? Did I do that? Yeah. Oh. No way! Why, you fall down! Oh, I'm sunk. If I mess this up, the boss won't pay me what he owes me. Good grief! Who'll come rescue me? Oh, just great. What do you want? Oh my. An anger-powered generator? You can use all your anger to power anything you like? Master this process and never pay another bill. Just call us now. Operators are standing by, so act quickly. Anger becomes energy. Oh, yeah! How much is it? Are they nuts? This is my final shot. I've got to get one of these or else. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Yeah. Now let's see. Ah! Oh! Ah! The instruction manual said, just shriek into the microphones to make electricity. No! This is just some sort of scam. Now who would want to cheat me? I have a good mind to smash you up. Oh. Hey, it's working! Yeah! No, what's going on? Hey, what's the deal here? Come on now, work, darn it! Wait. Maybe I have to be angrier to make it work. Right, more anger. Do it. Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. Yeah! Boy, this anger thing is tiring. Whoa. Well, I think this is gonna work just fine. Yeah. I love my work, and I love this chainsaw, baby.
Look here. Hey. Listen, isn't that Vic's chainsaw?
How should I know, bro? I'm trying to sleep here, Briar.
I suppose I could have got it wrong.
That's just great. Now you quit on me. I want a raise!
Huh? That's gotta be Vic. Hey, get up. Bramble, wake up.
Just a few more minutes.
Listen to me, you fool. This guy's out to destroy the whole forest.
Old Vic's no real threat.
Get up already.
Sleep ruiner!
There you go. When I become a rich man, I'll get an angry little underling to help me with this. No, wait. An angry guy. Well, I know just the one. Hello? Boss, is that you?
Vic, where have you been lately? Do you still want your job? If you do, send me my lumber now. If you don't get 100 fresh compounds in 3 days, I'll personally hand you your walking papers. Do I make myself clear?
Well, I guess that ought to do it. Well, that's nice. What a bummer.
Told you it was that guy.
Logger Vick!
Oh, no!
How dare you! I was sleeping like a baby!
Look, guys, can't we just talk this out?
Huh?
What the?
That's weird.
That's right, I cut down those trees, and I'm gonna cut down every single tree in the forest! And there's not a thing you can say, ha!
All right, you! I'm not gonna let you do that, Vic!
That's it! Stupid bears!
I ought to knock you out where you stand!
Look here. Stay cool. I don't want him to hurt you.
But...
I know. Let's go.
Hey, you stinking bears, get back here! I'm not through with you yet! Do you hear me?
What? Bramble, come back!
Well, it's like this! I'm not gonna let him get away with this!
Listen to me!
Hey!
Did you even see that machine? There's something not right about it, alright?
Machine? What machine?
That... never mind. Alright, we'll sneak back there.
What now? There he goes again!
Shh! Pipe down. Let's just stay cool.
What? I hate this. What's wrong with this stupid machine? Now start working! Now let's see some action! This machine's starting to seem like more trouble than it's worth. Right. Hey, I can wait for the bears to come along and use their anger. It would save me some trouble.
Hear that? So that machine can run off of somebody's anger. Say.
What the? You two? You're just in time, guys. Look, you! How dare you come back here? You know you're licked!
Oh, hang on. Hey, cool it. Keep it cool. Hey, we ain't gonna get mad. It ain't gonna happen.
Could it be they got wind of my evil plan?
Oh? Oh? Keep calm.
Oh, jeepers, you should be mad. All right, let's try this.
Yeah! All right!
Right. It's time for me to use my secret weapon. No, God! You get back here! Come and let me down right now! Get back here! That's so wrong! I spent my life innocently plying my noble trade in the forest. But Boss Lee's a total creep, and you two stinking bears treat me even worse! This generator was truly my last hope, and you bears have destroyed it now. Do you know what you've done to me?
Hey, Briar, is it possible he's gone insane? Well, that answers that.
Feel the logger's unbridled wrath.
He looks like some kind of demon.
Head for the hill!
Come back! You really shouldn't have messed with me. And now you will see why. Let me help you out. Are you ready? Oh man, where did I go wrong? This machine is a bust. Take that, and that, and that, and that, and that. Yeah, I'll return it. I'll return it. Is this the anger power generator shop? Your product stinks. I want my money back. Get off. What? Every company has some sort of return policy, you idiot! Are you crazy, huh? Go and get your manager! No, my phone's just gone dead. Poor Vic's cut off from the world. Oh, no. Ow! Oh, move the easy chair. Ow, that's...